So hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone, and on the upper right side click this three lines icon to go to settings, then scroll down to go to settings and privacy. Just click settings and privacy and then click settings, this one. You'll be routed to settings and then click account center, this one above. And under accounts center, click personal details, and under personal details you'll be routed to an options to see account ownership and controls right at the bottom. So click this one, account ownership and controls, and under these options you will see memorializations and activations or deletion. So just click this one and choose your Facebook account. Since I already connected my Facebook and Instagram account, so I see my Instagram and Facebook account right here. So just choose your Facebook account, and you'll be routed to two options like deactivate the account or delete the account. So since we just activating the account, just click deactivate account or highlight this one and then continue. And you need to enter your password right here to proceed. And then once you already entered the password, press continue. So you will be need to select options why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So select one and then continue. So right here you'll be routed to a couple of steps. Do you want to log out instead, save post? If you want to take a break from Facebook, Facebook will see you options preventing you to deactivate your account. So if you want to reactivate your account, there's an options right here to reactivate this account in 1 day, 2 days to 7 days. So I will select don't reactivate automatically and then just click done. And then once you're already set up, click continue. So and we're already on the final steps to deactivate the account. And by the way, since we're only just deactivating the Facebook account, your Messenger will remain active and you can reactivate your account anytime. So once you're already done, just press deactivate my account or click deactivate my account. And that's it. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account in mobiles. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.